Morning everybody, I hope you're all good. Happy Sunday. Today is a Sunday. I thought let me quickly open the vlog here because we are going to go on a beach walk with my kids and my helper. So this is just a little spend the Sunday morning with us. There isn't much planned. After that I'm gonna come home and cook. I'll start cooking from breakfast, probably lunch. Okay, no, Sissy made for the kids, so I don't need to do lunch, and then I will make Sunday lunch. But yeah, for those who are new, guys, I feel like I've even forgotten about what one. I've got this mask on, so that's why I'm looking ridiculous. I don't know why I always start these videos looking hella crazy. But anyways, for those who are new, my name is Tembi and this is my channel. And for those who are returning, thank you so much for coming back, my besties. What am I doing? What else am I doing? Okay, so we're gonna go on a beach walk now, and then we'll come back and I'm gonna cook. So we'll just spend the morning with me. Nothing hectic. Might turn into spend Sunday afternoon with us. I don't know, we'll see how far I take this. But after that I need to go to my aunt-in-law. Is it aunt-in-law? Yeah, it's aunt-in-law. It's my husband's aunt. So we're gonna go there, or rather I'm gonna go there. I might take baby Ndeko with. Luanda can't come because he's got a play date. So yeah, I just finished showering. Let me quickly get ready. I think I'm gonna pump when I come back. I'm also trying to, because the baby is now 11 months, I'm trying not to pump as much because I want to stop when the baby is 12 months. I kept a promise to myself that I'm going to do this at least up until 12 months. And breastfeeding is a mind exercise more than anything. Yeah, so I'll pump when I come back. Because I was late if I pump now, and it takes me like 40 minutes to pump because my other helper put my other pump. Most I had 2 pumps. If you still remember from my earlier videos when I just had the baby, I had 2 pumps. The helper put the other pump in water. In fact, she put both pumps in water. Yeah, it's a whole thing. Anyways, now I've got 1 pump, so I have to pump one side and pump the other, and that takes like 40 minutes. So if I do that now, it's literally going to be 40 minutes, of which it's I don't want us walking with the kids. But anyways, let us go. I'm also trying to get back to being active. I have not been active the past couple of months. It's like I literally just stopped, which is not so healthy for me. So I want to start getting or easing myself into things. So this is us starting our active life or activeness. Anyways, enjoy your Sunday everybody. If we don't speak again, because this is rather going to be a very short video. And I'm hoping I will catch you guys on the next one. But we need to get going. Oh, that's all now. Have a lovely Sunday everybody. May we all have a beautiful week. Can't wait, yes son. I've got how many days? I've got 3 working days left. I've taken leave for, on the 16th I'll be on leave because it's my baby's 11th month birthday or milestone birthday, and he's going to the baby clinic for his development checkups. We still do those. When he's 12 months. So we're gonna go to the development checkup, and then after that I'll come home, have like a little picnic. So that's why I wanted to take the thing, I took leave, a day's leave, and then I'll go back to work, and then I'm off Friday again and Savoy. Then we are going on our birthday holiday with my friend. So excited. Anyways, I'm rambling. Happy Sunday. guys, so I had to reshoot the video because ibilap. And what do you mean a video is so close? And second board because this year in land I bought myself the thing for the car that you stick on, and then I can have my phone on there when I'm shooting on my phone and not on my camera. And now camera the phone so this year land and second board is close because like I tested it out. If video iba good and you guys can properly see me. And then because I have to hold the phone. I'm shooting on my phone. I have to hold the phone. It is about worse if I was shooting on the camera because that camera is so freaking heavy. But anyways, guys, I did must show that we went for ice cream after our walk, and after that we went home and I made breakfast, and I didn't want to show it. I feel like I've been showing me making breakfast at home and YouTube on TikTok, but anyways, I didn't want to show any of that now. I feel like we get it. You make breakfast for your family. We get it. Type of a thing. And desires to know like I feel like I just need to map out the type of content I want to show on here, so that I know uba a video itinding a vele in the freestyle nje. Like I need to start taking this more seriously, so that I can see movement on my channel, because I feel like I haven't given YouTube the attention it deserves. But anyways, guys, now I'm off to, I've already made I've already done a Sunday lunch. I've already made Sunday lunch. Now I am off to guys. Like I said, my husband's aunt, I'm off to her house. I am 30 minutes late, but that's also because I had taken a nap, number one. Number two, I was tired. Number two, I was also waiting for her to confirm that I can come back home and they are not home. And then I have to wait because I know their Sundays are also quite busy, and they go to church on Sunday as well, so yeah, there's that too. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful week. I hope I'm going to have a wonderful week. At least I've got a short week. This week, which I'm so grateful for. I've got exactly 3 working days this week, and I'm so excited. They are so like they are boop. But anyhow, my baby is also turning 11 months, so it's definitely going to be a good week. He's turning 11 months. So exciting, isn't because that means he's going to be 1 very soon after this. The next birthday is 12 months. Oh, why am I driving here? Sana, and people just doesn't make sense. This is one thing I hate about who drive a luxury. But anyways, yeah, have a lovely Sunday afternoon, everybody, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Very short but sweet. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please leave a comment down below, or even leave a heart. You don't even need to leave a comment, just leave a heart. And please also like the video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe on the video so you can be updated whenever I post a new video. And yes, I am going to show, or I'm going to vlog my trip, my 4 days coming. We've got 5 days. Why am I lying? In 5 days time I'm going on my trip, and guess gaxa is that I did an order, and the order, don't ask me why I didn't order so late. You order kesana iti, it's coming on the 22nd. What do you mean it's coming on the 22nd and now I'm leaving on the 20th? So I am praying prayers that have never been prayed before, hoping that it comes on the 19th, and I am praying it comes on the 19th because I am correct if it doesn't come on the 19th. Basically. And most of the stuff I've ordered, it's the stuff that's coming. Oh, the tunane, I hope and pray that they come, because your and your sweat's outing. But anywho, enjoy your week, have a blessed week everybody, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.